So this video will be in English. We're getting ready. What do you have to say? Okay, I guess he's excited. That's my bag. Let's get ready. Ready to go. I think this is supposed to hold to be stable. Guess we will find out. This is my thing for the luck. Your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect. Yeah, you will try to match it. Don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. You make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunders. Trust me no matter. So Ernad and me drank this water, and we were like, okay, let's go to restaurant to fill this bottle up. But then 2 meters from us, it's water, my friend. You can do anything you want. Bags. How it looks. Sleeping bags.
When a Bosnian man tights a knot, it won't get anywhere. Catch.
This is the first batting session. Music is playing from the floor. And my ghost rider. I've heard you like what?
White Red Bull.
New day, new scene. Seems like we will have rain, fully equipped. Let's see. €5. Roosted for the second location. Bikes are surrounding the tent for security reasons. Parking lot. There were people there, and there, so it was all good. Ernad is making sandwiches in a church, cemetery. We have very good sandwich. Bread and ketchup. First problem, this, you figure it out. That's the problems that come with adventures, but now as you can see, it's all. We had a problem, Calvin Klein's catched on fire. Everything is smoking, but we are all good.
Aldin, what are you doing?
This is the new plan because our one bike burned. We'll see how it goes. This is our loading station for the Apple Watch, for iPhone, and for external battery. This is where we eat.
Italia. Very good, very good.
Cielo spritz. Due caffè for me, due caffè for Ernad. Very strong. We slept right there. Thankfully, in the morning, police didn't came. So yeah, it was everything good.